Hey everyone, how's it going? So, one of my favorite shows growing up was always the Transformers Beast Wars, and one of my favorite characters was always Tigatron. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw Tigatron from Beast Wars. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Tigatron, I'm going to make a little line that comes across. So let's draw a little line that comes right across here for the top of the head. Right here, let's make two little lines that come up. And a line that goes up, over, and then we're going to come down. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up on each side. Then we're going to go over and bring it down. We'll go over and bring it down. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down on each side. Then I'm going to bring it in. Next, we'll come down again. Then we're going to go down at an angle on each side. I'll make a line that comes down and another one that comes down over here. Right here, we'll make a line that comes up and a line that goes down. Now, starting up here, we're going to begin with the nose. So I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. Then I'll make a line that comes in. It's got a little bit of a curve. We'll make a line that comes down with an angle. We'll make a line that goes down and up. Another one that goes down and up. Right here, we're going to make a line that comes down. We're going to go down and then bring it up. We're going to go down and then bring it up. Kind of like a cat mouth almost. We'll add a little line that comes up on each side. We're going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. Then start here, we'll make a line that goes down. We're going to go over and up here for the neck. Now, right across here, I'm going to make a little bit of a curved line. Make a line that goes up, and it's going to curve down. And another one's going to go up and curve down. This is going to be where like the tiger head is. It's going to kind of take up his whole chest. Now, we'll kind of start right here. We'll make a line that's going to go down and then up with a check mark shape, and then one here. We're going to go down and then up. Right here, we'll make a little curved line for an eye, and another little curved line right over here. Starting down here, we'll make a line that goes down and up for the top of the nose. Make a line that comes down, it's going to go over and up to connect. Starting here, we'll make a little line that comes down. We'll make a little line that curves out, and it's going to come up. Do another one, it's going to go out, and it's going to curve up. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down, it's going to go over and up. Then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, and it's going to connect to here. Do the same thing, we're going to go out, make it kind of curved, and then bring it back in for the sides of the face. We'll make a line that goes down right here, and we're going to go up and down on each side for the inside part of the ear. Now, once we have that drawn, we can start on the rest of the body. So, starting right up here, I'm going to draw his kind of like shoulders. So we're going to just begin by making a little line that comes up on each side. We'll make a little line that goes over. Then we're just going to bring it down right towards the top of the ears of the tiger. Starting here, I'm going to add a little half circle shape on each side. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to go over and then up. Do the same thing here. We're going to go out, we're going to go over and up. Make a little partial circle shape right here on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and up. We're going to go down, we'll go over, and then we will bring it up. Starting here, we'll make a line that comes down on each side and bring it across. For the hands, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and over. Same thing here, we're going to go down and over. Bring it up and in. Bring it up and in. We'll add a little line down. We'll make a line that goes up and in. Make a line that goes up and in. Next, we'll make a little line that goes up and down. And another one's going to go up and then in. Do the same thing here. We're going to go up and in. Then over here, we're going to go up and then down. Right here, let's make two little lines that come down. Then I'll curve it in on each side. Then we'll make a little curved line on the bottom. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up like an oval shape. And we'll do one here. We're going to go down and bring it up like that oval shape. Make a little line that goes down, over and up. And one here, we're going to go down, over and up. Make a little line that curves up. Then we're going to bring this line down. You can see we go down and we kind of bring it in. Bring this line over and come up to here. So we'll bring this line over and we'll come up to here. We'll make a little line down, another little line down. We're going to draw a little line that's going to come down. So we're going to go out and then bring it down. Make this line come over and up right at the bottom there. So we're just going to go over and up at the bottom here. A little line that curves around. And another line that goes over and up. We're going to go over and up. Now we're going to come back up here and we're going to add some more details. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up on each side. I'm going to bring this line down to here. I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to make it go down and then over. Same thing here, we're just going to go down and then over. Now, so here's our basic shape of Tigatron. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So starting up here on the face, I'm just going to draw a line that comes down here on each side. We'll also put a little diamond shape inside his head there. Over here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes up and over, and another one here, we're going to go up and over. On the tiger here, let's draw a line that comes up and down for the eyebrows, and then we're going to make a line that goes up here for the nose. For the stripes, I'm going to make some little like upside down kind of boomerang shape. And then we're just going to make some long curved stripes right across here. Make a couple lines underneath the eyes. Then we'll just make some more stripes coming down here. So we'll just kind of add any type of stripes you want. Let's make some different ones right here just to kind of fill up the face. We'll make a couple more underneath the eyes too. And a couple more over here by the top of the head. We'll make a little bit of extra detail lines right around here, just to make it a little bit darker. We'll add some little stripes right onto the cheeks. Now right here on the arms, I'm just going to draw a little line that comes down. And then I'll make a little line that comes across here. I'm going to add a couple little stripe patterns right here on the sides. And right in here, I'm just going to kind of redraw the shape that goes right around here. Just going to go right around there. Make a little line that goes down, comes to a point and up. I'll make two little lines here. Line that goes down, over and up, down, over, up. Little line that's going to be kind of pointed. It's almost like a little face, so we'll put a couple little points there. And then another kind of little inside part of the face and a couple lines here. Draw a little line that comes up on each side. And then I'll draw a little curved line inside here with another one. Right here, I'll draw a line that goes down and in, and then straight down. Another one here will go down and in, and then straight down. Make a line that comes across the bottom of the feet. And then on some of these, I'm just going to add some different little stripe patterns on here because he's got lots of stripes because he transforms into the tiger. So we're going to add just some little stripe patterns all along here. Put a couple coming down here too on his arms. Also put a few on the back of the legs. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and a line that comes up with a couple little curved lines on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Tigatron from Transformers Beast Wars. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.